Bonjour, bonsoir, everyone. So this will be a loc repair transformation. I don't really know what to call it because when I came into this appointment, it was supposed to be a loc attachment. And yeah, we had to do way more than that. So we're just going to call it a loc transformation. So basically, my client came in with, a lot of things going on. A lot of locs out, a lot of locs thinning, a lot of bad repairs. So we had to just work through that. Usually when I have an appointment like this, I don't really stop and think about it. I start touching the client's hair and I start looking just to, start working my brain and start figuring out, okay, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Because I don't really post a video for every client we do. I try to post as much as I can, but we do get a lot of heads where it's like most stylists would be like, no, I'm not doing it. But we like a challenge over here, so we do it. And this is pretty much what this was. It was a bit of a challenge, but we figured it out. So basically, once I realized what he had going on, I reparted him. Try to keep some of the locking hair he already had. The ones that I was going to keep, I combed out the ends to make attaching easier. So as I went through, I had to comb out some, repart some, comb out the ends on all of them. At the top, he literally pretty much didn't have any locs up there, just a few little stringies. And I pretty much combed out the whole top and reparted the whole top. And once I have my foundation, I feel like I'm in familiar ground again. And then I start reattaching or attaching his locs. I had to call one of our stylists, Monica, in for reinforcement because it was going to be a longer day than I anticipated. So I called her in. This is what I meant at the top. Pretty much no locking going on there, so we had to repart. And after I reattach all his locs, Monica came in to do the retwist. Well, she started doing the retwist, but I gave her something else to do. So I had to finish the retwist myself. And after the retwist, we gave him dryer time, and then we gave him a style that he requested, which was the braids going down to the side. And that's it. That's it. As I said, we get a lot of interesting cases where most stylists will be like, no, I'm not doing it. But we like a challenge as long as it's doable, as long as it's not going to cause more damage than there already is. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for announcements, courses, giveaways, discounts that will be coming later on in the month. And check out our website to see the products we use on his hair today, especially the needles. We have all of those in stock. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.